This tutorial review will show you how to control Android devices from computer. In order to control your mobile from computer, first of all you have to install a software on your computer. To do that, open this website imyphone.com and click on utilities and click on mirror to screen mirror. And from here download the software and install it, then launch it, and you will get this interface here. So to control your Android phone from iPhone, select Android and connect your Android phone with computer using USB cable. Once you connect it, you will get your Android device name here. So select it and click on OK. And here you have to enable USB debugging option. Click here and select your device to get instructions. So currently I'm using Oppo, so I'm selecting Oppo, and here we can see the instructions to enable it. So I'm going to my phone settings and tapping on about phone and tapping 7 times on versions to enable the developer mode. Then I'm tapping on back and tapping on additional settings, tapping on developer options, and here is USB debugging. So we have to enable this option. Tap on OK. Tap on OK. And then here we can see my Android phone is connected with computer. And to control your phone from computer, click on this mouse control option. And note one thing, to use this feature you have to purchase this app, and here we can see the price. So once you purchased, you will be able to control your Android phone from computer using this mouse control option. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.